Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be playing with slime. Here it is. I was supposed to say I'm going to make slime, but I already made it. Forgot to record it, but I already made it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make like bubbles and bubbly sounds. Kind of like an ASMR video. Okay, ready? I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna try to make a small bubble and show you. Okay. You might not hear me talking as much because I'm going to be playing with the slime and trying to make it sound satisfying. It was a little bubble. I want to show you how. I'm going to make a swirl. Wait a minute. Okay. Came out alright. Oh, yay! Now you can see me playing with it. Whoa, that's a big bubble. Wait. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, comment down below if I should make a ASMR video. I really want to try it, but I'm not that fancy YouTuber that has like a microphone. I have earbuds, but I don't know how to use them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!